Factorials and permutations. I'm Anil Kumar. Let us practice how to solve questions based on this topic. We have 3 questions here. The first one, I need to mark 20 test papers today. In how many different orders can I mark them? The second one is, in how many ways can you choose a president and vice president from a group of 11 persons? Third question here is, a quarterback has a series of 6 plays possible. If the coach asks the quarterback not to repeat any play in a game, how many different orders of plays is possible? You can pause the video, answer the question, and then look into my suggestions. The first one here is, I need to mark 20 test papers today. In how many different orders can I mark them? You could use counting principles in this particular case, saying that, well, these are 20 places, right? The 20 test papers, like these. Options for the first are 20. You can choose any one of these 20. For the next, once you have taken one away, 19 is left, and then 18 is left, and so on till the last paper is tested, right? Multiplying all this, you get your result, which could be written as 20 factorial, correct? So that is one way you could answer this question. And the other way you could answer this question is using permutations. As you know, permutation is an arrangement of n distinct items in definite order, right? So this is a definite order. And there are 20 items. These are all distinct, 20 different test papers. And therefore, the other solution could be 20 P20, correct? Both will give you the same result. Now, let's look into the next one. It says, in how many ways can you choose a president and a vice president from a group of 11 persons? Again, the same strategy. We have to choose for 2 positions. Perfect. So, for position 1, I have options from 11. A person cannot be taken for both, right? So, once I choose one of them, let's say president, so I have 11 choices. Once the president has been selected, vice president, we are left with only 10 choices, correct? And therefore, the answer should be how much? It should be 11 times 10. The other way to look into it is that we have 11 distinct persons and we have to choose 2 of them. 11 distinct persons, we have to choose 2 of them. That means 11 P2. So it's a case of permutations where an arrangement of 2 distinct items, and the order matters because president and vice president is unique, right? Okay. The last one here is, a quarterback has series of 6 plays possible. Now there are 6 plays possible. Let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And if they are not repeated, he had a choice of 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and then 1. And that clearly is what? 6 factorial, right? 6 factorial, or the answer could have been 6p6. So in this example, you see how closely factorials and permutations work together, right? You could write answer in any terms. When we say we are using the factorial concept, that is our basic counting principles, right? I hope that helps. Feel free to write your comments and suggestions. Now I'll take up more examples, go through them to master the techniques for counting. Thank you and all the best.